Hi everyone, welcome back to another vlog. So today we are here at Crowne Plaza in Ortigas and we're starting our staycation. So si Crowne kasi, or I think Crowne and Holiday Inn, they launched this application. It's called Edge Lifestyle and sobrang nice kasi you don't have to use yung mga vouchers na, like physical vouchers. They're all inside an application. So that's super duper cool and that's what we're going to feature in today's vlog, as well as tomorrow and the day after that. So yeah, we're gonna show you different rooms here at Crowne and as well as the Holiday Inn din. Tapos we're gonna be trying out the restaurant, so I hope you enjoy the vlog. So this is the Edge Lifestyle app, guys. So you just have to download that, and then once you're in the system, ayun na, lahat ng mga vouchers nandyan lahat. So you get vouchers for hotels, dining, special offers, and e-certificates. And then when you click this one, you can get mga discount codes and all of that. So kunwari sa hotels tayo, there. Basta lahat in discounted. So super duper cool. Once you're like a member of this, ayan, anywhere you dine in, nasa I think 20% off. Parang kanina sa Tian 20 off kapag ano ka, kapag you have the Edge Lifestyle membership. So I'm gonna give you guys a hotel room tour. This is the first room. I'm gonna show you guys yung ibang rooms later on. When you enter, you get to see this parang living room area. Then if you want to do like OOTDs, there's a door. Then to your right, papasok siya ng CR. So you have, ang ganda naman ito, girl. Tapos meron tayong sink area over here. Ayan, may toilet. There you go. Tapos dito yung bathroom. Look at this. It's so cute. Bongga. Tapos yung shower dito. May TV. Tapos may malaking area dito. So dito pwede malagay mga stuff. It's perfect. Tapos here, and then pwede mong sarado yan. Let's close it. There you go. Tapos pag lalabas ka na, we have some fruit and cheese and wine. Tapos syempre we have the coffee station. Coffee and tea. Water. May note pa sila, oh. So sweet. Crowne Plaza, Manila, Galleria. Ayan. Love it. This is our room for tonight, guys. 18th floor. Tapos sa may elevator, may mirror din. So, perfect. If you want to check yourself out. Kasi yung OOTD nyo. Diba? Oh, may plants pa. May plant. A plant. Then scented. Ooh, oil. We're gonna go down to the lobby muna. We're gonna be vlogging 2 other rooms that they have here in Crowne to give you guys an idea kung if ever you wanna stay here or what. Ang ganda, inferno. Love it. So ito yung lobby ng Crowne. Look at this. There you go. And of course, another mirror over here. Here naman, guys, is the deluxe room. I'll show you kung ano itsura ng room nila here. When you enter, ayan, ang makikita ninyo, malaki din siya, ha? Deluxe room. So to your left, you see the bathroom. You get a bathtub and everything. Oh, it's very well lit. Perfect talaga if you're gonna do your makeup and everything. Dito yung shower area. May toilet tayo dito. And they have everything. Yung blow dryers, lahat. Ito yung mga hinuhoard ko every time I go to hotels. Mga ganyan. Lotions, shampoos. I love it. Tapos labas naman tayo. Okay, we have the mini bar over here. Ito yung mga closet. And yeah, walang tao dyan, girl. Wala. Hi! Dito yung mga closet natin. So you can, may safe box. Ano na sa ilalim? All the stuff. Ayan. Meron tayong ironing board. Tapos pagpasok dito, you get the mini bar. Yan. The coffee station. Na may mirror. So, hi, bongga. Tapos dito sa loob. Ito. The fridge, right? Ayan, the fridge. Ooh, minibar. Ooh, M&M's. Yummy. So, may ano pala na pwede siyang connecting?
Yes.
Nice. Okay. Siyempre, kailangan may OOTD mirror tayo. So, may tayong full-length mirror. Perfect. Then, of course, you get the TV. Ay, girl, I love this! Ang ganda ng... Ang ganda! Hi! I love it. Gusto ko yung mga ganyan, mga laki mirror. And then, ang laki ng workstation natin. O, diba? So, if you're like me, kailangan nyo mag-edit, kailangan nyo gumawa ng kung ano-ano, ang laki ng desk. It's perfect. Again, this is called their deluxe room. Then we have a lounging area over here. Pwede kayong matulog or manood ng TV. Fresh flowers, of course. Then you get 2 beds in this room, guys. Super spacious, diba? Bongga. And then kung ano view natin dito. Ay, ang ganda. Gabi na kasi. Ang ganda. Nice. Again, that is an overview of the entire room. Super love ko to. Girl. Diba? Ang ganda. Perfect. Perfect. Hey! So, ito yung deluxe room nila. We're gonna go check out another room here at Crowne. We're here at the 18th floor, guys. And this is called the club room with a king-size bed. Still the same. Meron tayong closet area over here. We have the mini bar, coffee station. Ang kita mo ng glasses. Blue. I like it. Cheers! Tapos, to your left, you also get the... Okay, iba yung arrangement niya. We have a bathtub. Perfect. Paano naman siya? Pa-left naman siya. Ang ganda. Ang ganda talaga dito. I love it. And then we have the shower room. The toilet. I think ito yung kaibahan sa kanina. May mirror ba yung kanina? I don't remember. Pero, ito may mirror. Kompleto lahat. We have the hair dryers and all the other toiletries. Let's check out the room kung ano yung itsura niya. Here you go. Ooh! Again, OOTD. OOTD mirror. Yun yung tawag sa kanya, OOTD mirror. And then, ito yung king-size bed. Ayan, for couples, for... Ilang tao maximum pwede magstay here sa ganitong room?
2 adults,
2 adults, 2 kids. Okay, bongga. Ganda, o diba perfect? So, mag-book na kayo bukas for Valentine's, o diba? And then we have this. I love it. Super relaxing tingnan. Another couch over here. And then another spacious work desk. Like sa kanina. O diba? Favorite ko yung mga malalaki yung work desk kasi ako, pag nag-edit talaga ako, girl, kalat yung gamit ko and then kailangan malaki yung space. So, ano to? Touch? Ano ba to? Touch? What do you call that? How do I do it? Wow! That's so cool! Whoa! Philips, bongga kayo. All the rooms, same yung lamp. Ay, ang bongga. Ang ganda nito, ha? Okay. Natuwa. Tama na. Natuwa. Ayan. So, this is again the club room with a king-size bed. So, if ever you want to book this room or the other room, yung kanina na una, or our room, all the rates are on the website. I'll have the link in the information box. Yay! So, yung gym and spa ng Crowne shared with Holiday Inn. Ayan. So, tumawid lang kami. Pasok lang tayo sa loob. So, ito na yung Holiday Inn Hotel. You have Gold's Gym over here. And then, when you turn right, you have Neo's Day Spa ba? 1 p.m. to 1 a.m. Nice. Sakto after nyo mag-gym, punta kayo dito. Baba na kami ng 4th floor where the FAB restaurant is. And dun tayo mag-breakfast ba? Tama ba?
On the 15th.
Ayan, dun tayo mag-breakfast. So, they're just giving me a tour. Okay, let's go. Kasi baka mawala tayo, girl. Oh, FAB, the restaurant. And they're known for their...
Buffet breakfast.
Wow, buffet breakfast. We can't wait. Wow, FAB, the restaurant. This is basically what it looks like. Very chill. Nice. Hi, oh, kitty mirror. Are these real? Oh my gosh, totoo nga siya, girl. So basically, if you have events, you can book their function rooms over here. Okay. And then may business center sila over here. Ang laki, no? Ang laki ng area. I love it. Ito na yung mga grand ballrooms nila, guys. So if ever ikakasal kayo or, you know, gusto nyo lang mag-party. Ang bongga, ang lalaki. They have 4 ba? 4 grand ballrooms ba? 5. Look at that. Even the doors. Super grand. Another OOTD mirror. Hi! Ah, Tian. Ah, okay. Bongga. This is Tian restaurant, guys. Nabasa ko na yung Mandarin niya. So it's Tian. Bagong langit lupa or something like that.
Place of heaven and earth.
Ah, heaven and earth. Yeah. Bongga. This is where we're gonna have dinner tonight. So for Valentine's, anong special ng Tian?
For Valentine's, we have the 4-course set menu.
4-course set menu. Is that for tonight then for us? Okay.
For tonight yun, and then for tomorrow as well. For tonight.
Bong.
So 198 plus extra per person. Inclusive na siya ng praline box. And then also ng martini percent.
It's super bong, guys, if you're a member of the Edge lifestyle, which I'm gonna show you guys later on. Sa app yun, diba? Kasi nag-change sila from yung mga leaflets to app. Later on, I'll tell you guys about that. You get 20% off right away. So, that's super bongga when you dine in sa mga restaurants here at Crowne. We have agenda over here, parang cafe lounge lang siya. And nandito kami nag-meeting. It's the 7 Corners restaurant na super sarap ng food. We're gonna have, I think, dinner here when ba?
Dinner tomorrow.
Dinner tomorrow, ayan. 7 Corners. It's the buffet. I vlogged this in one of my vlogs, guys. So, they have a bar section. And then the rest, I'll show you guys tomorrow. 7 Corners. Now we're walking towards bar 1. Bongga. They're open until 1 or 2 a.m. Ayan, yung mga specialty nila for Valentine's Day. Love tales of cocktails. Tapos na yung tour. We're gonna go back to the room muna. Tapos, kain tayo ng dinner kasi I'm hungry. We're now here at Tian. Ayan, Tian. Anyway. So if ever you're gonna dine in here sa Valentine's Day, ito yung set menu nila. Tapos may view ng traffic ng Ortigas. Bongga. It's perfect. And may wifi pa sila here. O, diba? Tian. The appetizer, Nobashi shrimp dumpling with bird's nest and black caviar. Oh.
Crab claw with bamboo focus with baby pet chai.
Baby pet chai. Cute! Ang cute ng baby pet chai. Crab claw. Nice. Super sarap. Love it. Although hindi ako pwede ng crab. So, main course. This is the pan-fried, thin-cut beef prime rib with organic long-grain rice. Dessert, chestnut ice cream with aloe vera jelly. Sugar pala to. Sabi ko, is that salt? Sarap na ice cream. It's good. We're done with dinner. Super sarap na food. You like it? Kasama yung food?
Yes.
Yeah. Super sarap.
Sobra.
It is pretty nice.
Bagay sa'yo. Ito yung Valentine's Day na parang welcome, I don't know, welcome amenity ba yung something sabi kanina? It's so cute! So it comes with a bottle of Moscato, a teddy bear, kasi ito chocolates, and tea. Look at this. Yum! We're now gonna go to bar 1 to check out their Valentine's Day cocktail drinks. Let's go! One Love.
Yeah.
Then we have Epic Crush.
Yep. And then the Heartbreaker's coming up.
Okay.
I'm the Heartbreaker.
You're the Heartbreaker. This one is the Heartbreaker. Cool. Let's try it. Beet salad and then tomato and basil?
Tomato. Yeah. Tomato and basil. Walnut pesto.
Alright.
My favorite.
That's it for the vlog today, guys. So tomorrow we're gonna be transferring to Holiday Inn and then trying out more restaurants here at the vicinity. So that's it for the vlog. I hope you enjoyed watching. If ever you're interested with the app, the Edge Lifestyle app, I'll have all the details in the information box, as well as yung mga details about lahat ng mga pinakita namin for today. That's it for the vlog. I'll see you tomorrow.